Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Scratch project and immediately duplicating the sprite you plan to hide code in, so you can revert if needed. Once done, rename the copy and lock away the original sprite offstage. This prevents accidental edits. Make sure to inspect costumes and sounds to confirm no visible triggers reveal logic. You'll also create a new, empty backdrop to host hidden clones. This sets a safe working state and prepares you to move code without breaking the project. Now you relocate core logic into clone sprites and custom blocks, so the visible sprite only shows presentation. Once done, replace direct control blocks with broadcasts and listeners. Broadcasts keep connections but hide step-by-step flow. Make small, purpose-named custom blocks and call them from the visible sprite. This both documents and conceals the implementation. Also convert global variables to cloud-safe or sprite local variables and rename them with non-obvious labels. Finish by running the entire project and verifying that visuals match intended behavior while the logic remains in hidden clones and custom blocks. Once done, walk through broadcasts and listeners to ensure every event is handled. Missed handlers cause silent failures. If something breaks, revert to the duplicated backup and reapply steps incrementally to isolate the error. Make sure to temporarily expose a visible variable or sprite that shows internal state for debugging. Then hide or rename it when you're satisfied with the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.